Hi friends, welcome to my channel Old Coins Library. Today's video we talk about coin 10 pence. The 1969 10p coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II is a notable coin. Here are some interesting facts about it. The obverse, front, design features a young portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machin. The reverse, back, design features a lion passant, symbolizing England, designed by Christopher Ironside. This coin was part of the first decimal coinage series introduced in the UK in 1969, replacing the old shilling. The coin's edge is milled, with a diameter of 28.5 millimeters and a weight of 11.31 grams. Over 120 million of these coins were minted in 1969, making them relatively common among collectors. The coin's metal composition is cupronickel, 75% copper, 25% nickel. The 1969 10p coin is a popular collector's item, especially in good condition or as part of a complete decimal coinage set. United Kingdom, British Overseas Territories and Crown Dependencies, Queen Elizabeth II, 1952 to 2022. Type Standard Circulation Coin Years 1968-1981 Value 10 pence Currency Pound Sterling, Decimalized, 1971 Date. Composition Copper-nickel, weight 11.3 g, diameter 28.5 mm, thickness 2.25 mm, shape round, technique milled, orientation metal, alignment demonetized, June 30, 1993. Number obverse, second crown portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, right, wearing the girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, legend around Elizabeth II by the grace of God, Queen Defender of the Faith. Designer Arnold Machin. Reverse, part of the crest of England, a lion passant, guardant, royally crowned, legend above, denomination below. Lettering New Pence 10. Designer Christopher Ironside. Edge milled. Mints Royal Mint, Tower Hill, London, United Kingdom, 1810 to 1975. Royal Mint, Lantricent, United Kingdom, 1968. Date. Comments. Obverse die varieties. Christopher Ironside designed all 6 new denominations for decimalisation, for which he was awarded the OBE in 1971. One of the most interesting coins of the decimal series is the 10 pence pieces, especially the old large-sized coins. The first decimal 10p was introduced in 1968, replacing the 2 shilling coin in preparation for decimalisation in 1971. It features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II by Arnold Machin on the obverse. Today you get the small-sized 10 pence in your change, as this large-sized coin has not been made for over 16 years. The 10 pence coin from 1969 is known as the Old Large 10 pence coin. It features the profile of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, front, and a design of a lion passant, guardant, a heraldic lion, on the reverse, back. These coins were minted in cupronickel, 75% copper, 25% nickel, and were used in circulation until they were replaced by a smaller version in 1992. The old large 10 pence coin is no longer legal tender, but is still collected by numismatists and enthusiasts. If you have one, its value may vary depending on its condition and rarity.